Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I want to do an unboxing, and my light, I don't know what the deal is, but we're having a bit of a problem. Anyway, my Beachly box came. Okay, let me fix this light. Hang on. Alright, so I'm going to have to do this in the dark. I've been trying. Now I think I need to change my glasses. Hang on. Alright, this may be a little better. Still have a little glare, but I really want to open this box. So anyway, I received this box. It's been 3 weeks ago. It may almost be a month ago. My husband and I went on a cruise, and the day we left, this came. So it's been waiting for me. But this is a Beachly box. It is a quarterly or seasonal subscription. The items that you have to choose are all beach related, right up my alley. And I will leave more information about the box down in the description box below because I want to get into this right now. So let me get my scissors. Let's see. I like their boxes, by the way. They've changed them. In fact, my son, he's been checking our mail, and I said, there should have been a blue box that came. And he's like, I don't remember a blue box. And then it was this one. It says, Your Coastal Escape Awaits. And I forgot what's in here. I do remember one thing that's in here that I'm really excited about. First off, you get a little magazine thing. And it talks, this is the fall box, the fall of 2025. Now, I know in my last unboxing of these, I said that was going to be my last. I lied. I decided to go ahead and give it one more try. But it talks about all the items that are available. They have different tiers. They have like 5 or 6 tiers that you have to choose from. Now, the last box I got, I didn't get to choose any of them. I didn't realize I had another box. And anyway, everything that they said I liked, so I was pleased with it. But I believe this was tier 1. I could choose one of these. I chose this, and I see it at the top there. And then here is another tier. You can choose one of these. I think I got the t-shirt. Anyway, sometimes they have recipes in there and all kinds of stuff. But let's get to this. I want to open up the sweater first. Now, I don't really get to wear sweaters a whole lot. What's interesting, my sister Tammy Pally over at Peacecraft Dolls, she gets this subscription too. And one of the things that we kind of have a complaint about is that it's all like, we're used to Florida beaches, warm beaches, year-round warm beaches. But a lot of this stuff is more like California beaches or maybe the Northeast where it's cold. It didn't get cold where we are from. Now, I got this in a large because I wanted it oversized. I probably could have gotten a medium. But in this cool, I love all palm trees. And it's really, really soft. Here's the back. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Hang on. Yes, this is very big. I should have gotten a medium. But it'll be something I can cuddle in the evenings. Maybe my husband and I are sitting on the couch watching TV or whatever. Okay, what's next here? Reusable gift wrapping cloths. Okay, I remember the reason I got these. I have no idea what they are. I mean, I guess they're like you can wrap gifts in the cloths. But I thought, you could do that, but you can also use it for fabric. Let's see how big they are. This would be something I could actually make. They're big. So we have this real pretty blue color. And then there's this pink. And look at that pretty turquoise color. Reusable gift wrapping cloth. Sustainable source, ethically made. 2.3 million pounds of single-use wrapping paper ends its life in landfills each year. We aim to change the earth-friendly and endless uses. And you can reuse these over and over. And if you wanted to, like I said, you could use it as fabric. Fabric is not cheap, by the way. All right, let's see what else we have here. Okay, these are reusable plant towel. So these are towels. These 100% tree-free reusable plant towels are seriously hard working. I wonder if they're made from bamboo. Just one roll replaces up to 30 rolls of traditional paper towels. That's some tough sheet. They are quick drying and they stay odor-free. And since they're chlorine-free too, they're easier on the environment. Bamboo. It says bamboo and, well, bamboo and plastic. Free of PLA bag, whatever that is. Fits traditional paper towel holders, hand washable up to 50 times. Okay, so you wouldn't put these in the washing machine. You could just use them and then maybe take some, Dawn detergent or whatever and clean them and then let them dry. Let's see what they feel like here. All right. Oh, this packaging, it's already disintegrating, so it probably won't even wind up staying in the landfill much. Oh, these are nice. Yeah. Okay. So, put those over there. Oh, the next thing. Isn't this cool? It's a little bamboo serving set. Now, lately I've been seeing restaurants serve stuff on these bamboo plates. Or bamboo. They look like a cutting board. But they're just little serving trays. These would be great for salad. And I am really needing new kitchen appliances, but utensils. I've been really paying attention to some of my stuff. Some of it's probably 40 years old. We've been married for over 40 years, and some of that stuff I recognize as gifts. So, wedding gifts. Oh, here's the t-shirt. Now this, I think I got a medium. Let me see. Medium. Now, it comes in a bag. Oh, now, see, this is a little thing. This is a medium. This is a large. Their sizes are not consistent. This is really tiny. See, this I needed in a large. This I needed in a medium. Darn it. And it's really short, too. Well, maybe it'll fit. We'll see. But it says Aloha on the back. I was really hoping to take this on my cruise, but... So I decided to try on this little t-shirt. I mean, it fits, but it's... I don't know. I need to lose some weight. But then if I do that, the other shirt will be really big. And maybe I'll wear this. I don't like the t-shirts, which that's one of these. This is more of like a women's style t-shirt for, teeny boppers. I'm not a teeny bopper, obviously. 66? I don't know. Is this even age appropriate? All right, so there's my shirt. Now we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there were 16. Here's the last thing. Welcome to paradise. I love this. So we have kitchen stuff, couple of kitchen things. We have personal items, and we have home decor, all in this box. And like I said, I will leave information about how this subscription works down in the description box below with the coupon code. I believe it's still working. And that's all we have for fall of 2025. So stay tuned. The winter of 2025 subscription should be coming up pretty soon, because we're into September here. And I think it goes January, February, March. Because I think you get, is it 4? Yeah, it's seasonal. So then April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay, it should be coming up soon on our choices. So here I'm just opening up the fall box, and winter should be coming out pretty soon. Anyway, this has been fun. I do like everything. I wish this was smaller. I wish this was bigger. Oh well. And my favorite thing, I don't know what my favorite thing is. This is really soft. If this was a medium, it'd probably be my favorite thing. I don't know. What's your favorite thing? Let me know down in the comment section below. And thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.